Hello guys, welcome you all. So the topic for today video is map. We will discuss about map in this video. So as we know that what is map? Map is an interface, and this interface has been implemented by various classes. Out of those classes, these are three classes I have written over here. That is HashMap, LinkedHashMap and TreeMap. Similar like as we discuss in set. In set, what do we have? We have hash set, we have linked set, and we have tree set. And the order for fetching the data will be random for hash set, and insertion order for the linked hash set, and alphanumeric for tree set. Same will be here. That for hash map it will be random. Let's say I can write it down here too for making it more easier. And here the order will be uh, insertion order, and for tree map the order will be alphanumeric. Okay, so this will be the order of fetching the data in this. Now let's try the syntax. Let's start with hash map, and we let's say I want to put the some values here, and then equals to new, and then hash map and parenthesis and semicolon. What do we need to do here? We need to import this hash map. Let's import it, and once we import it, let's see how many methods this map interface can provide us. So first, very important thing, that values dot. Let's try to find out, do we have add method? A, D, C. We don't have add method in map interface, but in set we have add method, and in list also we do have add method, but in our map interface we don't have this add method. So what do we do then? How we will give the values here? How can we do that? So we will be using dot put method. We have put method, and this put method will take two arguments. One is for the key and another for the value. Let's click over there. Okay, so here will be the key, and with key this where there will be the values, right? So let's do one thing first. I will write down here that this hash map, this not only hash map, the map comes with what? Map comes with the uh, key and value pair. Key and value pair. Let's say key and value pair. So in map we need to deal with key and value pair, while in list and set we do not need to deal with the key and value pair. Here we need to give the key and values. That's the most important thing. So, and now let's see the syntax what we have written for the object of hash map. We didn't define here what kind of data we want to deal. So because we didn't define it here, so we can deal any kind of data here in our values. So let's say instead of putting key here, I want to say that hello, and to values I want to give some integer value, let's say 32. Oh wow, that's possible here in map, right? Let's say I do want to put some more values. I want to put some like total 4 values or 5 values. Let's say 4 right now I want to put, and here instead of hello, let's say I want to put another string named fruit, and in fruit I just want to give it a let's say some number. Let's say fruit number 43, whatever may be there, just I have given it a number. And then here in I just want to put name. I'm just trying to create a random data, general data, so that we can just understand the important thing. And in this name I'm giving Pratik. So you see that we can provide integer there, we can provide string over there. Why? Because we are not declaring over here that which kind of data we want. So let's come to this one now. Instead of hello I want to put, let's say, movie. And movie, what name I want to give to the movie? What the name of the movie can we have? Okay, let's say Mr. India, right? The very famous movie in India. But let's say, uh, what do we have here now? We have four key and value pairs. Now let's print it out all. How can we print it out? So we will print out CISO, and we have values. So values dot, we need to do what? Which method we can use here? We directly can, actually we directly can print it. We do not need to do use any method here. Let's say, let's save it and execute it, see what will happen. So you see all the four key value pairs we get in our console. That's amazing, right? Now another way is how to get it. Let's say CISO, and we can do key, oh sorry, values, I didn't write values, dot key set. So I'm using key set. So what this method will give us? This method will give us the set of the keys, that the whatever the keys we have. This method will give us all the set of those keys. Let's save it and execute and see if I'm saying right. You see, we have whatever key we have. We have four keys: hello, fruit, name, movie. So this method has given us all the keys only. Can we get the values also somehow in some method? Let's see if we can have CISO. And what we need to do is, we need to do, because we have given the variable name values, and then dot, let's say, can we have values? Yes, we do have values. So let's click this method and let's see if we can get the values of this values variable, and then save it and execute it. Then what we will get? See, we get all the values for whatever we do have here, right? So guys, one thing, these are the important things to understand here. Now what else do we want? Let's say, can we have the size here? CISO and values dot size. We do have size method also in map interface, and let's save it and execute it. So it has given us the size is 4, right? So what else do we have? Let's say I want to get the value of any key. I want to get the value of this fruit. How can I get that? Let's say CISO and then values dot get. See, we have the get method here, but this get method we don't have in set interface. In set interface we don't have the get method, but in list and map we do have the get method, right? So that is another difference. Let's say get. So I want to get the value for fruits, fruits, right? Fruit, not fruits. Let's say, okay, I did a mistake to write down it here, that instead of fruit I wrote fruits. So let's say what value it will give. Then save and execute. It has given us a null value. It has not, right, because fruits is not a key over there, that's why it has given us a null value. But what if I just write down fruit only? So what it should give me? It should give me 43. Look, it is giving me 43. So that's how the map work when we have the generic data type over there. We not mentioning any kind of data type in this syntax. So now what else I want? Let's say I want to repeat some values. Let's say I want to repeat this fruit. Okay, let's take it here, and instead of 43 I want to give it a value 32. And let's say that I want to repeat one more time something, that should be, instead of fruit I want to repeat hello. Let's say I want to repeat hello, and in hello I want to give this time a string value, and let's say it is, okay, I'll pick it from here. Okay, I'm giving it Pratik. So now I have repeated hello and fruit 2 times. So according to the theory that we already discussed earlier, map doesn't allow the duplicates, right? Map doesn't allow the duplicates. So let's see now what will be the size. What will be the size of this? Other things, let's see. Okay, with the same thing, let's focus on the fourth. Here we will focus here the value. What will be the change? Save it and execute it. There is no change. We have given two extra values there, but there is no change in the output. Why? Because these are the repetition. These are not the same things that we were like as it's the repetition for hello here and repetition of fruit here. So this is the same thing. What it is doing, instead of 43 it is putting value 32 to the fruit, and instead of 32 to hello it is putting value as Pratik over there. So how to check it out? Let's check it out here now. Here for hello is Pratik. You see, instead of giving 32, it has given the updated value to hello. This is Pratik, and here it has given hello to Pratik. And next thing is to fruit. What value it should give to fruit? It should give 32 because this is the most updated one. So it has given 32 to the fruit. And another thing that we have Pratik. Pratik in repetition, right? So Pratik is a value. Hello and fruits are the keys, and these hello and fruit doesn't get repeat over here. But what about Pratik? Pratik as a value, can it get repeat? Can it get duplication? Yes, it got duplication because here you see hello is Pratik and name also Pratik. So it means this has given us the repetition for the values but not for the key. For the key, it has just updated the previous value with the newer one. So that's how we can say that key duplication, or we can say duplicate key is not allowed. Duplicate key is not allowed, but duplicate value is allowed. Duplicate value is allowed. Okay, so this is the most important thing about map. And what next is instead of hash map, if we use linked hash map, what will happen? Then in hash map, what data it has given us? It has given us in a randomized order. It's not a like the insertion order we inserting here. It has given us in a random order. So if we use linked hash map, it should be same like as we get in set. So here we need to change it, I think. Okay, linked hash, yeah, we need to import. I imported that, and let's save it and execute. Let's see the console. So you see here it has given hello first. The key is hello first, so it has given hello, but the value is Pratik, the most updated one. Then for the fruit is second one, but the value it has given the updated one. And then third number is for the name. It has given name, and to name it has given value Pratik. And then movie, and to movie it has given the name in Mr. India. So that's how our linked hash map works over here, right? And what next is this one. So this is the key set. So key set order should also be the insertion order in link hash map. So what it is? Hello, fruit, name and movie. Yeah, it has given us the same order: hello, fruit, name and movie, right? And then for what is this one? It has come for the values, right? So what are the values? It has given us updated values, and in the insertion it will be the insertion order according to the keys. So what is the for hello? The value is what? Pratik. For fruit the value is 32. For name the value is Pratik, and for movie the value is Mr. India. So it has given us accordingly, right? So guys, I think I'm trying to make it as simple as possible, right? Now let's do one thing, that instead of making it generic, then let's see how many numbers we can give here. Here also I need to mention this angular brackets, or we can say the diamond symbols. So here we need to give, let's say first I want to give string, and the second number I want to give the integer. we need to mention it with the full name for the integer. We cannot say int here, and like here too. So now these values started freaking out, because here now we are defining that first thing, the key should be string and the value should be integer, then only it will take the value, right? So let's say name, in place of name, just let's give 30 to 1 2 3, any integer we just trying to give, and movie number, and we have some code somewhere, that's why just we are just giving it like this, and let's have number 8. So now it's not freaking out, and let's save it, right? So if we will execute it now, what will happen? It has given us the values and the flow as link dash that in the insertion order, right? So what else is there in HashMap? Basically, the HashMap is randomized. Linked hash map is what? Linked hash map is insertion order, and after that our tree map left, right? So for the tree map, let's say we just, guys, we can use here hash map or map also, there is no problem. Or for the linked hash map, if we can use linked hash map also here, so there is no issue here. We can change tree map now for checking out the values for the tree map. So it's we need to import it. Let's import it, and now it's saying something. Let's see. It's saying change the value to tree map. It will not work with the hash map in the beginning, so it has taken tree map now. Okay, enter. Fine. So it is happy now. Hash map, linked hash map can work with the hash map tag here, but tree map will work with only with the tree map, not with the hash map. Now let's save it and execute it. What will happen in our console? So you see it is giving us in alphanumeric order. So it has given us fruit first, because F come first, then it's giving hello H, value it is providing 8, updated value, and for movie it is giving us like third number, it is giving us movie M and then N, because MN. So it has given us the alphanumeric order for this. For this one also same, the alphanumeric order, and for this alphanumeric order the values it is providing us according to the keys, not according to the values. That's why it has given us 32, 8, 5 and 2, right? Respective to these keys, not it will work in respect to the keys, not in respect to the values, right guys? So I think I have covered everything here in map interface, and if you really like it, please do like, share and subscribe my video, guys. Thank you very much for watching.